What's up, guys? What's up, guys? We're back in charts today. It's been almost now 2 weeks before I've taken a live trade, and I just kind of wanted to, what's the word called? Take a break and study a little bit before I went back into the markets. So I'm happy I took the break. It was definitely needed. Definitely needed. Let's go to DXY. So I'm gonna start with clean charts. I don't care what I did a few weeks ago. Clean charts. Remove drawings. Go on a monthly. Remove drawings. Remove every single drawing. GBP USD. Remove drawings. Start fresh. Can always go back to the last videos to see if what I drew was the right thing anyway. Jesus. Just lines on lines. I don't need that many lines. Damn. CHF, I don't even trade CFA. Anyway, but as you guys can see, there's a difference here. I've got DXY gold, the main commodity. Then I've got DXY US dollar, then gold, the main commodity, and then US oil is also a good commodity to trade. It's actually the biggest commodity to trade. So I thought, why not have that along with gold? Because, So I've got the main GBP pairs, GBP USD, GBP JPY, GBP or GBP CAD. Only because I live in the UK, and why not trade GBP pairs? A lot of GBP pairs are very common, so why not trade them? You know what I mean? Why not? And then I'm so glad to be in the markets today. And then I got the main pairs. These are all in orange. So these are the most traded pairs. So obviously USD JPY is second, Euro USD is first, GBP USD, which is up there, is third, AUD USD is fourth, USD CAD is fifth, USD CHF is sixth, and NZD USD is seventh. So those are the biggest pairs in the market. And then obviously I've got the indices here. Indices are very important. FTSE 100. Live in the UK. Can wake up 8 a.m. and trade that one. Dow Jones, very good market to trade. US 100 and US 500, top 100 and top 500 companies in the US. DAX 30 is top 30 countries in Germany, and J225 is the Japanese equivalent. It's basically like the Nasdaq. It's like the US 30 or US 100. It's an index in Japan. It really does tell you the whole economic outlook for Japan. It'd be quite helpful, definitely. And then I got the main Euro players, because obviously what's bigger than USD is the Euro after that. And then I got the main GBP pairs. You can see here 1, 2, 3. So what's bigger than what's the second biggest? What's the third biggest after Euro and USD? That would be JPY in it. So I got JPY pairs, Euro pairs, USD pairs, and GBP pairs. Then I got a lot of gold. I got a lot of Aussie dollar, a lot of CAD, Aussie dollar. So it's all mixed. That's the thing. That's what I'm trying to basically say. Okay, so today the aim is to just trade. To be honest, that's it. I'm tired of kind of just waiting. Just kind of like, I don't know, just waiting. I don't like waiting too much. I'm just gonna trade no matter what. I just trade. If it's a trade I'm not too confident with, I'll take a small lot size. If it's a trade I'm confident with, I'll take a big lot size. That's how it works. Okay, so let's start off by drawing the major levels on GBP USD. Okay, I may go quiet a little bit, but So we got one. So we got 1.35 here. That's clearly a level. It broke out from this level, came back down, nearly touched. So that's a level that's definitely being reacted to. But before we do that, before we start to do that, let's go on to investing.com and see what investing.com is doing. We don't need to read the whole article, we just need to see like the overall summary, what we're expecting from the market. Dollar dips ahead of Fed meeting, cryptocurrencies jump, dollar edges lower, Fed meeting, GDP data due this week, dollar down but remains near multi-month highs, Fed policy decision remains focused. Euro USD price may experience a bullish reversal trend. So the dollar's down due to this. Euro USD price may experience a bullish reversal trend at 117 level. China's digital yuan puts okay, this is old stuff. So one article says that the dollar is down 7 hours ago, dollar edges lower. 4 hours ago, dollar dips ahead of Fed meeting. Okay, let's look at that. So nothing important coming out today. Even if it did, it already happened, GBP and Euro. So nothing here is really important. So what we can expect is the dollar being, just a little bit down. Let's check DXY before we actually go on to anything else. Horizontal line. We'll do this one. 92. So down here, down, broke past, came up, touched this area. So that's an important area we can see. Yeah, that is an important area we can see. I'll mark this area here as well. 90. Touched. Well, I'll do a mark horizontal ray here, so we know what we're kind of looking at. I'll mark this one red. I don't really need to have this horizontal ray here, so I'll mark this one red as support. I'll mark this one blue as resistance. There you go. So look. As you can see, number 1, number 2 broke out, and number 3. So that's clearly the resistance point. Sorry, that's clearly the support point. That's the resistance point, and the way it's looking is the dollar is definitely edging lower. Look at the 4-hour chart. And if you were to draw it, forget this, right? I don't know if I'm doing too much, but just forget this, right? Imagine we only saw this, right? Imagine we only saw this, we assume this would be this, right? Because this climbing is creating lower lows. It's creating lower lows. Touch the top. So it kind of broke out. So it faked people out. And then it broke through that trend line. So it's going down now. Retested it. We tested the top, to be honest, and it's still going down. So it's fair to say that that was a fake out. Possibility, because it's going down, it could reach this level and then reach this level. There's a possibility. So I'd probably be biased on USD. So let's look at GBP USD since we know the US dollar is going down. Anyway, I looked at the 4-hour chart there. It's interesting how we can see a big push there. But let's look at the monthly. Cool. Weekly. Yeah, so this is clearly also, I want to put this as a support zone, so support zones have to be red. And then we'll put this one here as a resistance zone. We'll put this here as a resistance zone. Reason being, it touched there, touched there, touched there. And yeah, it's just respected that level several times. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So definitely put it there. Dailies go down a bit more. So we got small resistance, small points here. Okay, so we got points here. Yeah, we could definitely mark this one up as well. Horizontal array. We'll mark this one blue. We'll mark this one red. Support, horizontal array. Is it a bit too thick? I'll make it just like that. So yeah, the reason I did that one is because it kind of was doing all this, broke out, touched here, went here, consolidated a little bit, gone down, so there was a little support zone there, broke past that support zone, down, just broke past it, so it was like a fake out to this point, and now it's going up, and then we know the US dollar is going up, so we know the US dollar is going down, we have to keep that in mind. So what could this mean? So the 4 hours, this is when you want to start kind of looking for patterns, so any like trend lines, I'd say. So let me just draw them, see what I can do. Don't want to force anything, remember. So look, this is what I kind of see, That's what I kind of see. Kind of. Let me tell you why. So we got a touch here at the top, touch here at the bottom. We could technically call this like a mini support zone. Definitely call it that. Because look what happened after it reached that point. So it touched here, respecting that trend line, and then it kind of just broke through with this point, came up again, came back in the triangle. So maybe there's possibly that could have been a correction. I don't see it. I really don't see it going down again. I don't see it going down again, honestly. touch there, broke past this to create a new one. Fair enough, this may not be valid anymore, but this trend line is valid. Look, it's pushing up to that area. So 36 pips. I'm gonna place my trade here. You know what? I'll tell you where I'll place a trade actually. See this little spot right here. Breaks out of this point here, then I'll place a trade. I can't just buy willy-nilly after. That's fair. Just create its own resistance. So that's what I'll do. I'll buy it once it closes above that. So we've got that one there. It's like a GBP JPY. GBP JPY is, so we can clearly see there's a resistance point here. So mark a horizontal line. So number 1, number 2, number 3. As far back as January 2021, so this is number 1, number 2. It's very tempting to mark this up, but come on now. So don't see any trend lines or anything like that, so I'm gonna have to go down to the daily. So yeah, there was a trend line here going on, as you can see. It's definitely some sort of trend line going on here. We'll mark it this way. So it's a trend line. So ideally what you would have wanted to do is trade it to that trend line. So that would have been how many pips? 103 pips. Okay, cool. Flip here a little bit. I see this. Maybe I'm bugging, but I see something here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. talking. You see that? It's on the daily. So what does that look like? That looks like a falling wedge. Definitely. Looks like a falling wedge. Right here. So let's see how this played out anyway. Okay, cool. Wait, before we do that, let's look at GBP USD. See what's actually happened. Not yet. GBP JPY. Anyway, I want to rewind this to see what happened, but okay, cool. Right here, touch there, broke down here, went to this trend line, now it's breaking out. You know what? I'll buy in actually. Let me buy in for GBP. Let me buy in here for GBP JPY, because that's a trend. That's a break, right? Let me buy in. I feel more comfortable with GBP JPY, so let me buy in here. JPY. $0.05. Okay, cool. GBP USD. So GBP USD looks like it's rejecting that area. Placed the doji, and now it's kind of coming back down. Because it's rejecting the area. I'm gonna sell. So I can't sell because I think I've used up all my available lot size at the moment. I've used all my available lot size at the moment. Okay, let's actually just write it down that I sold. Where's my stop loss here? So my stop loss will probably be. The thing is, it shouldn't touch the trend line. So if it touches the trend line, then I'll take the loss. So my stop loss will be maybe just 2, somewhere here. If it goes there, then I'll take the loss. Stopped here. So what I would have done here is, because I see it kind of reversing a little bit here, I would have taken whatever profit or whatever small loss I would have taken, because you can see it kind of turning a little bit, so maybe it's trying to gain that liquidity. Break on trend line, wait. That makes no sense. Okay, since it's what I want to do is put here hit stop loss, close trade, hit stop loss. So I think that's fair. If it reaches below here, below here, then I'll take the stop loss. GBP USD, the way it's looking, it's kind of doing, it has a lot of dojis around this area right here. So I'm assuming I take a sell then. Wait. The USD is going down. So why is this, and then you have this trend line that is trying to reach on GBP USD, so why would I be bearish here? That wouldn't make any sense. In fact, I don't believe it's gonna go down at all. At all, I don't believe that. I think there's market manipulation there. Maybe they're trying to push it to this level here. Who knows? Possibly. Looks like GBP ORD. Nah, it's just focus on GBP USD and GBP USD. Okay, interesting. So it's broken through this level, number one, this level, number two. Oh yeah, of course it would. Look at what it's doing here. Quite interesting. Sorry. Yeah. You okay?
I need to ask you about just
What's up, guys? My bad. So okay, let's go into this, see what's going on. So, looks like the thing is getting smaller. So it looks like what I want for GBP, JPY to happen is happening. Kind of. Candles are very small though. It's not very convincing to get GBP USD. So okay, that's interesting. So it broke past this point. Broke past that point. As you guys can see, I've added J225. The Japanese indice here. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's not look at JPY too much. Don't want it to mess up with this. GBP USD. So touched here, touch there, touch there. So this is a clear resistance point. Okay, touch there 3 times, broke out of there. So I wouldn't be. So this is clearly an important point. So it's either going to go up or it's either going to go down. So we can. Whichever way it goes, I take the trade. But then you have to be wary of where you think it could be trying to go. The overall trend line, it really should be touching this trend line right here. That's what should be happening. I see it rejecting this trend, rejecting this support. Maybe what I'll do, I'll go to my fake account, paper trading account, and then we'll put this at maybe 190. And what we'll do, treat it like an actual account. So thing is, when they say units, it confuses me so much. I don't want it to say units, I want it to say lots. Okay, units. So I did a 0.05. 0.05, I think. Was it 0.05? I did. Let's check. 0.05, 0.0. So that's a micro lot. So that'll be 5,000 units. So let's go on 5,000 units. Because if we're doing 5,000 units, so what I'll do is if it reaches here. No worries, take it. Take it. 5,000 units. Thing is, look. It's touched here. Yeah, I would definitely take a buy. 100%. Sorry guys, I was just helping some guy out with something. I don't know what it was exactly, but I just helped him out. Okay, yo, sorry, I just missed all of that. Cool. So create a new order. Because naturally, I do market orders. I'll go for a market order here. So, quick execution. So that's on my paper trading account. It's very hard to watch stuff like that because paper trading, it's just I don't like paper trading. Like they say, it teaches you the wrong things. Anyway, so I've taken this trade because I've seen there's a clear resistance point here. Number 1, number 2, number 3. So a clear support zone, and it's kind of breaking out this area here. So let's check on GBP, JPY, see what's going on there. So obviously you can't see it, but I've been guessing I might break even here, somewhere close to anyway. Yeah, I'm at 82.79 pence profit, or cents profit. Don't want to look at it too much. We're just gonna watch GBP USD. Yeah, that's slightly frustrating to watch, just seeing me able to okay, so where's my stop loss? My stop loss would be this middle area here. Still point it made for itself. So if it closes below here, once per par close, we'll do close trade. So as we can see, it's going down. So we want it to close under here. We don't want it to touch, we want it to close under here. If it closes under here, take the loss. But still, even if I do take a loss, I'd still rather it would be real money. Okay, just wait. Cool. So USD is strong today. very strong today. You know what I'll do? I'll do another trade. If it breaks past this area here, then I'll take a sell. Actually, I'll wait for it to close. Do the GBP USD. So GBP JPY is not looking too good. It looks like it's kind of gonna go reach that area. I think I might take my losses here. Yeah, I'll take my losses here. There's not enough. It's not giving me enough confirmation. So now it's broken that kind of resistance point, support zone. It kind of made, so I'm gonna take my loss here. I'll tell you when. I'll tell you when. Yep, close. 100%. So what I could maybe do is get in again, but get in for a sell. So you know what, actually, let's go to GBP USD since the trade's going in my favor. Go to GBP USD and take a sell. Market execution. So I took a sell on GBP USD. On my actual account, I took a sell on GBP USD. On GBP JPY. See what's going on here. GBP JPY. Okay, the reason I want to take a sell here is because where's it going to? That's the thing. Where's it going to? We're going to try to touch this trend line. Maybe. Nah, I'd wait. Let's wait for GBP. Anyway, look how this paper trading one is in my favor. Yeah, let me just close this. Can I be making money on my paper trading account? To FXCM. Yeah, it's probably trying to reach down here. This area here. So yeah, I'm confident. Kind of confident anyway in GBP USD. I mean, where's my stop loss? My stop loss should be, I think, we can get rid of these. Get rid of this. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. So my stop loss would be maybe at this point here. So if it closes above this area here, closes above this area here, we'll take the loss. Close trade. Hit stop loss. GBP, JPY, see what's going on. So let's get rid of this. So what's going on? To kind of broke out of this trend line. Trying to come back in. Yeah. The thing is, I should have my take profit here as well. I don't know where my take profit is. Maybe take profit will be here. So I'll do take profit one. So we just here, we'll do take profit one. And we'll take half of the profit off the table. And if it hits here, we'll take the second profit off the table. But remember, take profit one always has to be taken. That's the rule. Just really push into that level. So I'll close 3. I want to touch that level. Okay, there we go. So I've closed half of the trade. There. It's going down even more. I'll close the other half. About you can't be greedy. First take profit always has to be taken. I know. As for this one, it's kind of being long, so I'll take it here. So I've taken it there. Sort of kind of reversing a little bit, so I thought may as well take it. GBP JPY, see what's going on. So it's reached this point, made a resistance point for himself. So what I'll do, I'll buy into GBP JPY. Why am I buying into GBP JPY? Yeah, let's buy in. I'll buy in. GBP USD I'm kind of done with for now. GBP JPY I'll buy in. Stop loss will be below this area here. This would be my stop loss. So I'm kind of confident with this one. I do feel like it's going to go up. I'm GBP bias on this one. So yeah, look. But yeah, this is definitely one of the best things I've said for myself. Just take the trade on the 0.01 lot size, play around. Even though I'm playing on the 0.05 lot size, I should be playing on the 0.01 lot size. That would take multiple trades at the same time. See what's going on. So that's my stop losses here. Number 1, number 2, number 3. It's kind of a high stop loss, especially considering I do market execution. Where's my take profit? It's okay, so take profit 1. This should do take profit 1. Number here. And number here, I should be take profit 2. Really. Number 1, number 2, and maybe number 3. Or number 1, 2, 3. It's a bit of a random trade, to be honest. To be honest, sometimes I'm a bit tight on my losses nowadays. So even though I say this is my stop loss, in actuality, if it even touches this trend line again, I'm gonna take the loss. 100%. Or if it breaks past this area, then I might take the loss. Got my hands on the trigger. Yeah, I got my hands on this trigger. So GBPUSD. So yeah, GBPUSD going down even more. So yeah, I took a big loss today. Took a big loss, unfortunately. It is what it is. So GBPUSD went all the way down. How many pips is that? Must be like maybe it's like 10 pips from all the way there. That would have been $100 on a one standard lot size. Oh, dojis. Look, you see some dojis here. Okay, so it's made another resistance point for itself here. Cool. So I'm gonna put my stop loss just here. Just here. So that's my stop loss. If it closes below here, then we'll take the loss. Because look, it's made it for itself. So number 1, number 2. I don't know where exactly my take profit should be. I'm a bit confused. I know I said I should have taken it over here and here, but I wouldn't count that structure. It doesn't look like structure. If anything, this and this looks like structure. But anyway, my stop loss is here. I'll just let this trade run. That's it. In fact, it should even be just above here. Look at it pushing all the way down. Yeah, my stop loss is here. If it closes below this area, I'll take my loss. Nicely and comfortably. Wow, that's a strong momentum candle. Closes below here, I'll take my loss. Put my hands on the trigger. If it closes below there, I'll take the loss. I'll take the loss. Close below there, so I took the loss. So yeah, GPUSD is going at GPUSD. GPUSD is still going down. The Great British Pound against the Japanese yen and the USD has been very, very weak for the past few weeks. So anyway, let's look at what happened today. So I had a daily loss of 1.85. Yeah. So let's look at all the GBP/USD is going down. I'll definitely do that one again, 100%. Yeah, 100%. It's going down, and the momentum is very, very strong as well. Good GBP, JPY. So I've left GBP, JPY, GBP, USD is very, very strong. And then not only that, it looks like it's going to break out even more. So my stop loss would be here. Risk management is definitely key. 100%. Delete this, delete that. Delete that. Actually, now let's keep these on just to remind ourselves what it did. take profit. Just as much as I have a stop loss, I should also have a take profit. So what's it trying to go to? Maybe trying to go to this level here. So how many pips is that? Pips. So maybe 14 pips. Okay, it's about to hit my stop loss, so I'm playing chess, guys. Should probably pause. I probably should pause. Yeah, skip forward if you need to. I've got my thing on, so skip forward if you need to. To be honest, I should probably pause. Being patient with this trade. Where's my take profit? That's what I didn't get. Okay, let me try to see if I can find on a 5-minute chart. Okay, so really it should be somewhere maybe here then. It's gonna be there, might as well be here. One thing I love about Forex is that you can, just as easily as you can buy, you can short sell. Yes, okay, cool. We'll do that. Yeah, so we'll be patient with this. So if you guys want to go forward, you can. Sorry for that long video. In fact, you know what I'll do? Actually, let me just pause. And then I'll wait. See what this whole thing does. So I'm gonna pause and just be chilling. I don't want this video to be too long. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so looks like GBP USD. It hit the stop loss. Okay, so that's minus £3.77.71 on a day. You know what? The thing is, I'm starting to like, trading. Just, just. I feel like it's important to trade every day just to get that consistency. And obviously, if you backtest on the side, it will help you out. You know what I mean? So definitely, yeah, there's no need to be trading with crazy lot sizes. Just start off with 0.01%, sorry, 0.01 lot size. Take my trades, track them, buy, sell, track them, backtest in your spare time, obviously study as well, and then I'll get there. So I've taken a loss, but I'm not really disappointed because I took a few wins as well. I had the kind of right idea. There's definitely still some work I need to do. I think it's just all backtesting, to be honest. Backtest more experience in the market. That's it. So there's a couple backtesting videos I need to watch. So I need to go on YouTube and I need to type in backtesting. So just backtesting, how to backtest. So I watch all these backtesting videos that I can. See how they do it. All the backtesting videos, while I'm live trading with my 0.01 lot size, and then eventually, maybe a few weeks, few months, I have consistency, and then if my trading journal is telling me I've got good consistency, then yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, anyway, so yeah, that's the end of the trade. Yeah, I'm positive, definitely positive. But yeah, let's just keep going anyway. Let's keep going. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. This is the end of the trade, the end of the day. We'll be back tomorrow. I'm glad I'm back. See you guys in a bit. Bye.